explain, demonstrate practicals. My dear friends, please see here. I'm going to demonstrate practical approaches. Sir, how many participants are there, sir?
28, sir.
Yeah. So, my dear friends, if you are having mobile or laptop, please open your mobile or laptop. Just go to YouTube. Just you can open YouTube and type my name. Please do it for me. 1 minute only it takes. Open your mobile. Go to YouTube. Type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivas. Please do it. Type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. So my channel, you will get my channel. You can install. You can subscribe and listen my videos, and you can ask any doubts I have created in a group, so that you can get knowledge in cyber security. Please do it. Just go to YouTube and type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Subscribe. Now I am going to demonstrate practicals. Please see what are the practicals I am going to show you. You just go to Google. See, like this. Google, go to Google, type Python software. See here, I am going to demonstrate install software. So I am installing. Welcome to Python org. See here, my screen is visible, sir. Ravi sir. Hello, Ravi sir. My screen is visible.
Visible, sir. It is visible,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
It is showing youtube.com users.
No, sir. I have now I am downloading Python software, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Maybe still lagging. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Python 3.11.0. You need to click this one. See, I'm downloading this software. Very simple. It takes 1 minute. Now, it is downloaded. See, it is downloaded. Only just what is the size of this Python software? You know, only 26 MB. Now go to where it is downloaded, this folder. See, I'm showing my folder. Here it is downloaded. So now my screen is visible. Yeah, what is the size of the Python? 23.9 MB. So I'm clicking now. See, double click. All of you, please do with the practice. So you will get a screen like this. Install Python 3.11.0. So you need to click add path here in the below. Add path. Add python.exe to path. Now install. It takes only 1 minute. Not 1 minute even. See now my setup, Python software is installing. Please do, all of you. It takes only 1 minute. Hello, my dear friends. Please see the Python software is installing now. I am going to demonstrate few applications. Okay. See now. Now I am executing small program, then followed by the applications of cyber security I am going to demonstrate. Now, if you see, setup was successful. My screen is visible, sir. Setup progress, my setup was successful. Yeah, please acknowledge me. My screen is visible.
Sir.
Yeah. Now you can cross check whether my software is installed properly or not. Go to command prompt like this command prompt CMD. Just go to all of you CMD and type here Python. See, just simple Python. See, I have already installed 3.10.8. So 3. See, just now I have installed 3.11. It has to come 3.11.